Hi there, it's AJ here. This video is for people that are using Godaddy and have a cPanel. Now here's a scenario. You purchase an email address from Godaddy and you've got a form on your website, and you're finding that your form is not sending the emails to your Outlook, which is what Godaddy uses for their email, their webmail. So it's actually a pretty easy fix. You just have to know what the problem is and where the solution is. And the solution is in cPanel. If you scroll down to the email section here, and let's just find that. Here we are. You're looking for the link that says email routing. So click on that and you'll see a warning here. Just ignore it. If it didn't work, you could always put it back, but this is most likely to be the problem. So select the domain that you're dealing with, and you've got a drop down box here. So I'm just going to select my website, and now we can see where it says configure email routing. Now when you get in here, it's probably going to be set on automatically detect configuration, and that's what the problem is. Because the email is not going to be handled by your website, it's going to be handled by Outlook. You need to select the remote mail exchanger. So select that option, save the change, and test your form. I think you'll find that it will probably be working now. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, then you can subscribe to my channel and click this icon to get notified about new videos. And of course, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Thanks for watching.